Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today it's going to be a how-to video and it's going to be how to razor your brows, and we're going to use the AOA Studio Razor, and this actually comes in a two-piece set. You can find these on ShopMissA.com for $1 each, or well, for $1 for the 2-pack. And I have a bit of hair growth going on. We're going to use the AOA Studio Brow Razor, like I said, the smaller one in that set. Now, these brow razors are really easy to use. It took me about 4 minutes to do both of my brows combined. So 4 minutes total for this process. These razors are used for touch-ups, defining, reshaping your brows. You can also use these in your bikini area, anywhere you don't want hair, basically. And the razor itself that I showed you, you can see it has guards on it. It is really sharp, so proceed with caution with this brow razor. Patience and relaxing is definitely key. Breathing is key to this process, especially if you're new and uncomfortable. So get comfortable, relax, and breathe. And take your time. So what I like to do is I slightly pull on my skin to make it tighter, and I use the razor flat against my skin to remove the unwanted hair. And you'll see, like, I even hold my eyelid down, I'm holding my lashes down so I don't, take any of those off. I'm really careful in these areas. This is a little sped up, so that's why it seems I'm going like super fast, but this was 4 minutes to do both brows. And so I just lay that razor flat against my skin, pull the skin tight, and go against the hair. I do this dry as well, you guys. You can do you can use conditioner, you can use lotion also with this process. It's all completely up to you, depends on how sensitive your skin is. I don't have super sensitive skin, so I just do it outright dry. And I slowly and gently continue to work removing all the unwanted hair, and as you move along you can feel the larger hair under your razor. So when you feel that larger hair under your razor, back off, reposition your razor so you don't take off any more than you actually want to. And I do the between the brows, over top, and underneath, and after I'm done I use a light unscented moisturizer to soothe my brows. And this is rare that I ever usually get cut. And that's the whole process. Just pull your skin tight, just work on all that unwanted hair. Take your time, breathe, and relax. That's the best advice I can give you. So I hope the video was helpful. I thank you guys always for watching. If you have any more comments or questions concerning razoring your brows, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos like these.